Hi everyone, introducing Quoder.com. So this is an alternative to the popular Cursor, that is a tool to help programmers to program using AI. So Cursor, you have to pay monthly a premium. It's expensive and mostly it is used by enterprises these days. So now this is Quoder.com. It is launched by China and it has agentic coding platform for real software, and it thinks deeper, and it also helps you with programming through conversation. So let's look at some of these features and let's dive into how to use this. Okay, you can in the quest mode you can delegate tasks to agent. You can describe your task with specification, so the agents will complete the planning, coding and testing and deliver the polished results asynchronously. So it is not just a normal AI IDE coder. It thinks deeper to solve real software challenges. It has intelligent code-based search, advanced repository insights. It has memory for continuous improvement, tool use, and it supports almost all models as of now. You can wikilize your code, uncover architecture and design. It has memory and rules to learn from you, and it works in your way. So you can go here and download it. So if you look at the pricing, you can see it is free for now. Then they have their another plan which is again free during the access period. Later they may charge it. So everything is free plus 2000 free credits for chat and agent request. So you can come here and click on this download button. After that you can download it and install it. Okay, so now I have installed it. So there was option to import it from VS Code, or you can import projects and settings from Cursor also. So you can download Git for Windows, and that way you can pull your Git projects directly here, the repository, and do the code changes. So this is Quest. So you can give various tasks. You can write specific with AI and then let it plan and build it autonomously. So if you want something to be built, this is the place you can come and ask you to build it, and it will build things for you. Okay, so this is the repo wiki. So this is the remote explorer. So let me show one project that is there. Let's say this is a simple plugin for adding a coupon in Udemy website. So if I want to make any changes, I can come here and just instruct it, and it will go ahead and make those changes. So you can see this. So these are the various tabs it has opened. So now this is the task that I have put in. Now if I want to open AI sidebar, so I have asked it to modify the code to include a default code that is a coupon code. So what it has done is that, okay, it has went through the code and identify what this entire tool is about, and it said, okay, I need to modify it in these two files for it to work. So when the user first installs the extension, or when they have no saved coupon codes, it will automatically appear as default coupon code. Okay, so let me go ahead and accept these changes. So once it is these changes are accepted, so the two files have been changed. In this way I can make changes to any coding project. Now I'll say that add a floating pop-up in Udemy site to apply coupon, which should open the pop-up of Chrome extension and ask to select the coupon code. Okay, so I said add a floating pop-up in Udemy site to apply coupon, which should open the pop-up of Chrome extension and ask to select the coupon code. Okay, so it has generated the to-do list. Now I will give it further instructions. I will even say to set a default button that will take them to Udemy course, so that they can click on it and it will show the savings that is generated by putting those codes. Okay, so I have accepted these changes. Now once I accepted these changes, then I can go and see the code, run it and see. So in this way, this tool is going to revolutionize how people code in enterprises also. Already Cursor is doing that. Now they have launched it in China, and they're planning to make it global. So they initially they have opened it up for free. I think it will be much more affordable than Cursor. So you can go ahead and try it out in your project. So I hope this information is useful. Thank you very much.